Okay, I am on my way to the shop right now, and we're going to throw those wires on and hopefully roll the fenders, because these fenders are cutting my tires all to pieces. So got brand new tires when I got this thing from the guy, and they are cut all up. They were cut on as soon as he drove it to me. So hopefully get all that sorted out, but hopefully these wires make this thing run right, because it seems to be running worse and worse the more I drive it. So I'm really hoping it's these wires. So we'll see. All right, just installed the VMS silicone racing wires here. So got them all on there and situated. I went ahead and put the oil cap on there. I cleaned off the edge around the outside so it doesn't look as off. But it's on there. We'll fire it up and see how it does. All right, Dad and I are in the car. We're gonna go test it out and see how it works. Super smooth right now, even in fourth gear, not cutting out. I think I went through replacing everything I could replace on the car for really no reason. At least it's all new, but I think it was the wires, and I cannot believe Ford racing wires should be perfect. I cannot believe they'd go bad that quick. Maybe they just got too hot, I don't know. So we'll see. I'm gonna hammer down on it here in just a minute. Try to let the car warm up to a good temperature. It got pretty cold actually while we were getting the wires on and hanging out for a minute. So. Woo! Oh yeah! Way better. So, had bad wires on it. I wish I'd have changed out the wires first, but you never know. The bad thing is, it felt like a bad wire to me the whole time. It felt like it was just getting a little bit worse, and it's missing just randomly, where a spark plug is usually constant, a coil pack is usually constant, spark plug wires just kind of go random. And that is it. It feels way better. Alright, I'm super impressed with these VMS racing wires here. These just fixed all my problems, and they seem to be really high quality wires. Went ahead and threw their pretty nice looking decals, one of the metal decals on there, just to give them a little bit of love on here. Well, here's the Ford racing wires, right where they belong, in the bottom of the trash can. I can't believe that those would go out that quick. Woo!